Hello and welcome back, everyone. If you want to add a custom thumbnail to your Facebook video and you are looking out how to do so, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started with the video. We can start by going ahead and opening the Facebook application for that and open it up. And once you open it up, you can go ahead and find the video on your profile or the page. So you're just gonna go directly to your profile and once you go to your profile and you will when you scroll down you'll be seeing all of the videos that you've uploaded, all of the posts. So go ahead and find the video that you would like to go ahead and add the thumbnail to. For example, let's say this is the reel or the video I would like to add the thumbnail. Once you find it up, you can look out for the three dots in the top right corner or the edit button. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, up menu pops up. So you can select the option of edit reel, tap on it, where you can edit the description, cover photo, and add a hashtag. So you just need to tap on this option called cover photo. You can directly tap on your video right here, and once you tap on it, it will give you option to select a cover image. So you can choose a frame from your reel, or you can choose a different photo from your own camera roll. So if you want to choose a frame from your reel, you can just go ahead and tap on one of the frame, or if not that, you can tap on add from gallery and then select a picture. So you may just go over to that section, and here you can choose an image that you would like to set on your thumbnail. So for example, if I would like to set this image right here, I'm just going to select it, and once it is selected, you can tap on save at the top right and confirm it up. After that, save the changes, tap on it. And when you do, you will be finding the thumbnail being changed. In order to view the thumbnail, you can tap on the reels. And when you go over there, you'll be finding the thumbnail changed. When you tap on the reel, you will be finding the original reel or the video available on your screen. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to go ahead and add a thumbnail in your Facebook video, this is the method you can follow up. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.